Everyone, welcome back to Talk More channel. Let's learn future perfect tense together. Future perfect tense is used to talk about action before completed a specific time in future. And she is giving the examples of future perfect tense. So yeah, are you ready to give example of future perfect tense?
Yes, I give an example and a structure of future perfect tense. So let's start. This is the structure of future perfect tense. Subject plus will plus have plus verb का third form plus object. Okay, so I give a 2 to 3 example of future perfect tense. I will have completed my homework by 8 p.m. She will have reached a station by 7 p.m. They will have completed project by next Monday. This is the example of future perfect tense.
That's correct. And now it's my turn to talk about negative structure of future tense. Subject plus will plus not plus have plus past third form plus object. And what is the negative examples? She will not completed her project tomorrow. Okay, so are you able to make interrogative sentence?
Yes, I will able to make a interrogative future perfect tense. Okay, will have completed her homework next Monday.
Yes, the structure of put will in beginning, then subject plus have plus past third form plus object. That is a structure of interrogative subject. This is very simple. We put will on beginning, right? When it comes to interrogative sentence. So, and will she have completed her project tomorrow? That is also example of interrogative sentence. So yeah, okay, in this video we will learn how to practice perfect future tense. So yeah, okay, so we are learner, don't judge us. Still we are making lots of mistake because we are learner. So bye bye for now.